Parvi's videos. So today we're gonna do another learning science. I'm sure you might not heard this name before, but all these science experiments I have done now, I'm naming them learning science. So guys, today's topic is parts of a plant. So before starting the video, you know the drill. Click that subscribe button, hit the like, and click the bell icon. So now let's start the video, guys. I want you to see something. Can you see it, guys? What is it? You're right. It's a plant. And now, what are these? What are these? What is this? Huh? You're right. These are the leaves. And now, all I want you to do is just look at this plant and say some parts of it. Okay guys, time's up. So I'm sure you might be thinking of stem, leaves and many other things, stem and leaves. But there is much more to a plant, like the main vein. I'm sure you might not be able to see the main vein in this. So let me show you in some other video. Okay. Here guys, can you see the line in middle? This is called the main vein / midrib. It helps the leaf carry food, water all over the plant. So leaves are mostly called the kitchen of the plant because like your mother cooks food for you, just like that, the leaves are like the mother of the plant. They cook food for the plant. Okay guys, we're also gonna have a second part of this. So can you see the side lines? Some lines in the side. I can see them. I don't know if you can see them. But you can also examine some leaves. There are some kind of lines in the side of the midrib, near the midrib basically. So the lines near the midrib are called the veins. The veins like this. These are the veins, which if you can see. So it also helps carry food and water from the leaf, and it sends it to the main vein, and the side part, the big part, the green part, most greenest part is called the leaf blade. It's the kitchen of the plant. So it cooks food. And now let's move on to the stem. Stem I don't have, but I'm sure I can get it from my balcony. Wait. Let me just take it from here. It's just a little part of it. Okay guys, let me explain you. You might see the stem, something which holds the leaf. Something which holds the leaf, like these. I don't know if you can see these. Hope the camera is there. Right. These things. These are the stems which help hold the plant straight. And now you see some stems aren't that strong. Like the stem of a money plant. The money plant hangs around all the time. But this plant's stems are holding it upwards. So the stems is to hold the plant upward. Okay, and now we're gonna move to the roots. I'm sure I can find the roots in the balcony. Let me go. Perfect. So tight. So tight. Oh, thank gosh. Thank God. Okay, guys. Oh, I found roots. I found it. Okay, here's a little bit of a root which I got from the balcony. So the roots parts are roots job is to, like when you water a plant, they say the water is healthy for the plant, but how do they take it in? They take it in by the roots. When see what happens is, when the water absorbs, the roots are inside the soil, so they take water from the soil and then put it inside the plant. And I don't know if there's gonna be a second part of this, but let me continue. This is a root. It's brown in color. And let me show you a money plant. Here's a money plant. See, it's these stems are not very good. Definitely not 5 stars. I mean, it should be like 2 stars around. Where was I? In the roots. So the roots also when you plant a plant, you just put the roots in and then cover it with soil, right? That helps the stem to hold the plant up straight. So the roots job is to hold the plant, to carry the plant and to absorb minerals for it. So guys, let me tell you another thing. So the green thing, let me show you the leaf back again. Look, you can see the green, right? Green part. So let me tell you how they get this kind of green part. They get their green color from chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is made by the plant, and it helps the plant gets its color. The color green. So there are some plants which do not have that much chlorophyll. So those plants are like mushrooms. Yeah, mushroom doesn't have chlorophyll. It doesn't have chlorophyll. It's just it has a white normal crazy color. I don't know how, but should I tell you how can they survive without water? I mean, they can't survive without water. Maybe they can. I don't know about that. I can't remember. But let me tell you how they get their food. I mean, they don't make their food. They just take their food. Look, they take their food by all the the animals which die, their skin gets absorbed in the soil. So mushroom just absorbs that skin and then makes it its food. And the food which a normal plant makes, which has chlorophyll, is called glucose, and it stores in many things like leaves, fruit, flowers, many other parts. And stored, it is called starch. You can basically say that glucose is stored in form of starch. Okay, so I think it has been 10 more than 10 minutes. I mean some early seconds. So maybe we should end this video right now. I'll think some more things to tell you about plants, and I think there's gonna be a second part, and if there won't be, don't just pick up your gun and kill me with it. Please, I'll make another video if there won't be a second part. So guys, tell me in the comment section, please. Tell. Okay, this will test you. No. And let me tell you one last thing. Photosynthesis is basically the process of how plants make food. Okay, so you remember the drill, right? Click that subscribe button, click the like button, hit the bell icon. You might know the drill. So don't forget, please. Okay, meet you in the next video. For now, bye.